Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Porsche Boxster convertible top. First, let's identify the common issues that prevent your top from operating smoothly. We'll look at whether the problem is electrical, like a faulty switch or fuse, or mechanical, such as a broken cable or motor. Understanding the root cause is the crucial first step to deciding if you can tackle the repair yourself or if professional help is needed. This guide aims to simplify the process for you. If your top isn't moving, start by checking the electrical system. Locate your fuse box and inspect any fuses related to the convertible top for continuity. A blown fuse is a simple fix. Next, test the convertible top switch itself to ensure it's sending the correct signals. Finally, carefully examine the wiring harness for any visible breaks, frayed insulation, or signs of corrosion, which can interrupt power flow. For mechanical issues, proper lubrication is key. Apply a suitable grease to all moving parts, hinges, and pivot points to ensure smooth operation. If the top isn't closing correctly, you might need to adjust the tension cables, which often stretch over time, affecting the top's alignment. In more severe cases, you may need to replace worn gears in the motor assembly or top up the hydraulic fluid if your system uses it. To keep your Porsche Boxster convertible top in top condition, preventative maintenance is essential. Regularly clean the fabric with a specialized cleaner and apply a protectant to guard against UV damage and water intrusion. Make it a habit to inspect all moving parts, cables, and electrical connections every 6 months for any signs of wear or damage. This proactive approach can prevent many common issues. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.